Hey there, welcome. Learn how to request a new Cloud PBX directly from your CommPeak Portal. You will learn how to initiate the order, proceed with your order submission steps, and how to track your PBX request status. First, sign in to your CommPeak Portal account. Then go to the main menu on the left and select PBX Instances in Cloud PBX. Click Order PBX Instance. If this is your first one, proceed with creating your first PBX. Ensure you have sufficient account balance to cover PBX setup costs, DID numbers, and initial call charges. A low balance will save the request as a draft. The first step is setting up your instance. Enter a unique, relevant name for your PBX. Select the number of agents and capacity based on expected concurrent calls. Exceeding call capacity may degrade quality. For larger capacity, contact support via the Help and Support tab or the widget. Click Save and Continue to proceed. In Step 2, first, choose the region closest to your agents. Use the speed test if you are unsure. Share the link and paste the result. Important to note, using a shared VPN IP address can affect how your calls are routed. Next, select your desired phone numbers and quantity. Third-party DIDs must be verified for outbound calls, contact support for inbound routing. Check the boxes for the listed countries you plan to call. Note that some countries have specific caller ID or usage restrictions. Finally, name any third-party softphone for automated calls and click Save and Continue to go to Step 3. In the technical configuration step, enter the PBX access IP address, or choose to provide it later. For enhanced security, we recommend static IP addresses. Next, select your PBX configuration, use default for standard rules. Or choose Customize to define specific inbound and outbound rules in the additional customization step. Now, you need to configure your company voicemail settings. Enter and verify the email for voice recordings using the OTP code. Upload a WAV or MP3 file, or use Generate for Me for your greeting. For the CRM integration question, select Yes if you want to integrate Click to Call and provide your CRM's IP address. Then add any other technical details if necessary. Finally, click Place your PBX order for the default setup, or Save and Continue for the customized one. Step 4 is only for customized PBX type. Select Yes to custom configure inbound call rules and describe the routing logic. Also describe any custom dialing rules or restrictions for outbound calls. Provide any final context for the support team, and click Place your PBX order. After you submit your order, you can track its status in the PBX request section. Pending means your request was submitted and is being processed. Draft indicates an incomplete order. Click Edit to continue. Note that your PBX setup may take up to 2 business days. Your ready PBX will appear in the PBX Instances section below. Thanks for watching, and good luck!